Hello, fellow AI art enthusiasts. My name is Thane, and this is yet another quick overview video of 100 Midjourney sref style codes. This time we are already at the numbers 1900 to 1999. You can find all the previous sref number videos on my channel as well, and if you would like to have these prompts and the images in a PDF format, you can come over to my Patreon. I share all these same videos there ad-free, and for my paid members there is a perk of the PDF files of all the prompts from my video and some extras as well. I can't believe we have now explored 2000 style codes. And I can guarantee that each and every one of them behaves differently, as I have noticed when making the deep dive videos for some of these styles. I do plan on making more of these quick glances and the deep dive videos as well on different topics, so stay tuned. But now, let's look at the styles. Each have the same prompt. A period symbol. Aspect ratio 16:9. Seed number 777 and version 6.1. The only thing that ever changes is the sref code number. 1900. Celestial Angelic Anime Realism. 1901. Monochrome Fantasy Digital Illustration. 1902. Mint Green Fairy Tale Illustration. 1903. Pastel Ukiyo-e Inspired Scenery. 1904. Muted Noir Landscape Illustration. 1905. Golden Hour Tonalist Nature Painting. 1906. Vibrant Whimsical Watercolor Portrait. 1907. Psychedelic Pop Art Photography. 1908. Fossilized Dune Landscapes. 1909. Kaleidoscopic Drip Painting. 1910. Colorful Fantasy Digital Fusion. 1911. Colorful Fairy Tale Digital Painting. 1912. Cozy Woodland Cottage Illustration. 1913. Mid-Century Modern Fantasy Painting. 1914. Electric Pagoda Luminescence. 1915. Earthy Toned Geometric Collage. 1916. Gothic Fantasy Digital Illustration. 1917. Ethereal Asian Inspired Photography. 1918. Pastoral Space Fantasy. 1919. Surreal Cottage Core Digital. 1920. Fluorescent Cubist Digital. 1921. Ethereal Fairy Tale Digital. 1922. Fragmented Urban Collage Illustration. 1923. Dystopian Baroque Digital. 1924. Atmospheric Game Environment. 1925. Vibrant Fantasy Cartoon. 1926. Kawaii Fairy Tale 3D. 1927. Moody Silhouette Digital Painting. 1928. Dark Twisted Surreal Illustration. 1929. Dramatic Chiaroscuro Surrealism. 1930. Monochrome Memory Fragments. 1931. Symbolic Landscape Illustration. 1932. Storybook Dreamscape Digital. 1933. Atmospheric Gothic Composition. 1934. Dreamy Blue Tinted Illustration. 1935. High Contrast Monochrome Photography. 1936. Ornate Cultural Fusion Digital. 1937. Enigmatic Silhouette Compositions. 1938. Muted Ethereal Cubist. 1939. Psychedelic Pop Surrealism. 1940. Candy Dreamy Romantic Digital. 1941. Animated Adventure Scenery. 1942. Verdant Landscape Illustration. 1943. Indigo Glow Digital Illustration. 1944. Rustic Geometric Digital Collage. 1945. Black Gold Surrealist Ink Drawing. 1946. Neon Twilight Digital Painting. 1947. Fluorescent Dreamscape Illustration. 1948. Sepia Fog, Retro Photography. 1949. Cyan Blaze Oil Painting. 1950. Ivory Lace, Digital Elegance. 1951. Enchanted Forest Fantasy Photography. 1952. Samurai Storm Epic Illustration. 1953. Electric Dusk Digital Neon. 1954. Autumn Mountain Pastel. 1955. Dystopian Silence Oil Wasteland. 1956. Monochrome Wind Brushwork Digital. 1957. Gentle Breeze Watercolor Illustration. 1958. Vintage Retro Futuristic Surreal. 1959. Neon Romance Pop Illustration. 1960. Neon Pink Cyberpunk Illustration. 1961. Dreamy Shadows Pastel Illustration. 1962. Crimson Forest Graphic Novel. 1963. Nostalgic Solitude Vintage Photography. 1964. Regency Era Countryside Painting. 1965. Elven Realm Digital Illustration. 1966. Silent Architecture Pencil Illustration. 1967. Ultraviolet Psychedelic Painting. 1968. Quiet Countryside Sepia Sketch. 1969. Enchanted Cottage Storybook. 1970. Ethereal Silhouette Collage. 1971. Arcane Wind Heroic Digital. 1972. Soft Shadows Fantasy Illustration. 1973. Autumn Mist Oil Landscape. 1974. Golden Glow Painting. 1975. Sunlit Forest Fairytale Digital. 1976. Faded Silhouettes Vintage Montage. 1977. Midnight Frost Fantasy Painting. 1978. Rainbow Blossom Fairytale. 1979. Neon Apocalypse Graphic Novel. 1980. Retro Sci-Fi Isolation. 1981. Monochrome Reverie Dreamscape. 1982. Verdant Tranquility Illustration. 1983. Enchanted Flora Digital Fantasy. 1984. Aqua Spirit Fantasy. 1985. Golden Dystopia Surrealism. 1986. Frosty Vintage Fantasy. 1987. Ember Dusk Post-Apocalyptic. 1988. Blue Serenity Minimalist. 1989. Nostalgic Love Storybook. 1990. Heroic Figures Retro Illustration. 1991. Gentle Light Pastel. 1992. Blue Shadows Epic Illustration. 1993. Windswept Noir Graphic Novel. 1994. Soft Pastel Minimalist Illustration. 1995. Subtle Earth Tones, Scenic. 1996. Monochrome Fantasy Engraving. 1997. Antique Bronze Relief Sculpture. 1998. Charcoal Fantasy Illustration. 1999. Neon Pastel Surrealism. Alright, those were sref code styles for this video. I hope you were inspired by them and you found some that you have been searching for or would just want to try out. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe and let's continue prompting.